Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Google Maps in Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First go to the Google Chrome, open Google Chrome. In Google Chrome, go to the new tab. Here we find plus button, click on plus button, new tab is open. In new tab, we find Google Apps at here. Go to the Google Apps, click on Google Apps and here find Maps, click on the Maps. Wait for a few seconds and Google Maps is open on your Windows 10 PC. After that, at a Google Chrome, we find three dot. Click on this three dot in a Google Chrome. Scroll down and find Save and Share. Go to the Save and Share. Here we find Install Google Maps. Click on Install Google Maps. Click on the Install. New window is open. Close it. Close our Google Chrome. On our desktop, we find Google Maps. On our taskbar, we find Google Maps. In Start, we find Google Maps in our app list. That means our Google Maps is installed on our Windows 10 PC or laptop. Open it from anywhere. I open it from my desktop. Double click on it. And here we find Google Maps on our Windows 10 PC or laptop installed as an app. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.